Hi, this is Katie with Panagrams and Digital HeatFX, and today I'd like to talk a little bit about printing the perfect black with Digital HeatFX transfer systems and your OKI920WT. Some people have concerns that the 920WT is unable to print the perfect black because it does not have a dedicated K toner. That's simply not the case. With a few tweaks to your art, you can get the perfect, most rich black available. We're going to talk a little bit about CMYK versus PMS and show you some color chart examples, printing black with Corel, Photoshop, and Illustrator. CMYK is the color mode you want to use. RGB is for anything on screen, and CMYK is for anything that is physically printed. The black color box in your palette, in whatever graphics program you're using, is going to be what's called registration black. And that is C0M0Y0K100. And in a typical CMYK printer, that will give you the darkest, richest black. To get a perfect black using the 920, we actually want to use a value of C100, M100, Y100, and K100. PMS colors are what are called spot colors, and they are mixed individually to achieve the exact color in an ink. You should discourage your customers from using these colors as much as possible or convert them to CMYK before you print. This is another color chart that is available, and you can print these out and have the transfer on a swatch for customers to pick which color works best for them. To print the perfect black with Corel, when you open a new document, you want to make sure you have CMYK as your color mode, and you just double click on the black swatch, and instead of having the values that are there, you want to make them C100, M100, Y100, and K100, and then add to palette. Same with Photoshop. When you open a new document, you want to make sure CMYK is your color mode. Double click on the black swatch in the color palette and change it to C100, M100, Y100, and K100. You can add that to your swatches, and I like to name that 100% black because all the values are 100. Illustrator is a little bit different. So for our color profile, we want to do print. Again, anything that is physically printed will be CMYK, and you can see on the bottom of your screen there that the color mode is CMYK. So we're going to click on our black, create a new swatch, and again, input the values C100, M100, Y100, and K100. We're going to add that to our library so we have that available. Any of these programs have a search function in which you can make sure that all your blacks are this 100% black, and that will enable you to print the perfect black.